In this tutorial, I'm going to show how you can add subtitles for your videos using Canva completely for free, and how you will be able to edit them using your brand fonts, changing their colors. And if you wait till the end, I'm going to show you a trick so you will see how you can also translate your subtitles in Canva. What you have to do, first of all, is to upload your video to Canva. So if you don't know where you do it, there is this button here that's called Upload. So then you upload your file. And when you do that, you will see that Canva generates a caption here for you. But you cannot edit this caption, and you cannot, when you download the video, this is not going to appear in the video. This is kind of, I don't know why it happens, but I think it is just for you to see what you're talking in the video, but this doesn't appear when you download at all, okay? So to add real captions to your video, what you're going to do is you're going to select your video, and then you're going to search for text and captions. Well, I just have this clip, so I will choose this clip and click on Generate Captions. Now you see, now we have these different caption here. And this one, when we make the download, this is going to appear. When you click on this subtitle, now you'll see that you can edit it. So here, if you go to this menu above, you can change the type, the font. You can choose a different one. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll choose this one. You can even change its color. Let's say black. Now you cannot read it, right? But then you go here to effects. It's already kind of marked. If you see its color, it's highlighted here. So you go here, and then let's change the background color that we see here. And let's say, you want to have you don't want it to be transparent as it was before, okay? You want to spread it a bit more or less. You can make it rounder, or you can have it squared in the end. So you see, you can kind of adapt it to your brand. You can change it here also to a different color. You see, that's very nice because you can do all of this editing to the caption. And when you play, it applies to the rest of the caption, you see. Don't consider this one. This is just kind of for you to see what you're talking. But when you download, the only caption that is going to appear in your video is this one here that we've just added, okay? Now, there is a nice thing. If you are, I don't know, if you're speaking English, but you want this video to go to your audience that is in Germany, so you want to translate this actually to German. Now, the nice trick that you can do is you can you can click right here in the subtitle, okay? And you see this is just a Canva Pro feature, okay? If you want this text to be translated, then it is a Pro feature. If not, you can just do it as I showed you. And now you're gonna select the language you want it to be translated. Let me put actually my mother tongue. It is Portuguese. You can even choose the tone of the voice, if it is like the original translation, or you want it to sound more professional or friendly, okay? And then you can select just the current page. If we had here 2 pages, we could select just 1 page, for instance, okay, depending on what you need a translation for. And now you click on Translate, and then you will see that creates a different page here with the Portuguese version. So we still have the original, and here you have the caption translated to Portuguese, which I think it's super nice if you have international audiences. I hope this video was nice for you and helpful. If it was, just let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe for this channel.